G'day guys, I'm Roger and I am a volunteer at Green Connect Farm here in New South Wales in Wollongong. We're actually at 6 Anna Avenue in Warrawong. It's an amazing place. It's 11 acres of derelict land that's been turned into a permaculture farm. They grow amazing vegetables. They have free-range chooks. We've got goats, sheep. We've got a variety of animals. Oh, and don't forget the pigs. Anyway, I operate the heavy machinery here. We've got a beautiful machine. It's an Achilles excavator, 20 SE. We were lucky enough to get that last year. And when I'm here, sometimes it is raining or you're in the sun. So I did some searching and I came across DiggerLid. DiggerLid. Now, I got in touch with them as we're a charity and said, look, is there anything you can do for us? And they kindly gave us a discount off the DiggerLid, and in return for that, I'm making them a video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the DiggerLid. It's good fun saying DiggerLid. I wonder how many times I'm going to say DiggerLid during the whole process, which will go on to my Achilles. I can't even say it properly. Achilles, is it Achilles? Excavator, my 20 SE or Green Connect's 20 SE. And as it happens today, we've got some showers happening, so I'll be out on the machine later today, and hopefully this will come in handy. So let's go ahead and let's get this thing opened, shall we? Maybe I'll fast track the opening once I've finished the filming. Alrighty. Wrapped really well. I wouldn't think there's anything in here that's breakable anyway. So, bit of cardboard, handy for notes. Of course, you've got to have a sticker that can go on the machine. What else have we got? Not sure what that is. Is that a logo? I think that is a logo by the looks of that. Another sticker. Product information leaflet. And a little thank you for your order. Hey legend, welcome to the DiggerLid family. Alrighty, so that's a little card there. Gosh, it's pretty thick. Is it a book? No, it's a card. So it's just showing you some of the machines with the DiggerLid on. Alrighty, so product information. Got some cool photos inside. Installation information, and your warranty. So we'll put that aside for now. Alrighty, here we go. Oh wow, it's actually in a bag. That's really cool. So that's going to keep it nice. Velcro bag. It's pretty compact. There she comes. Wow, it feels really heavy duty, really good quality, really cool straps, some bits of tissue. This is Jan, my second mother.
Hello.
Here doing all the eggs.
and the lamb food.
And the lamb food.
Yeah, and the goat food.
And I'm doing the DiggerLid video for them once and for all. It's a DiggerLid to go on there, so it's a cover to enable me to work in the sun and the rain and all that, and keep the machine nice and clean too. So I've got to work out how to put it all on. It's not that hard, I wouldn't have thought. It looks pretty cool. Oh yep, this is all some really, actually the zips are really heavy duty. So there's your clear windows inside. That must be the top, and obviously this is the bottom. All right, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video and I will read the instructions and I'll get back to you when I'm fitting it. Alrighty, I read the instructions and it said to open both the zips and grab a friend. So Emily's going to help me, the manager of Green Connect Farm, and we're going to put it on our Achilles. How do you say Achilles? Achilles machine. Let's go. Let's see how easy it is. So I reckon if could you get up on there? Yeah. You get up on the table. We're in a bit of a tight spot. So lift that over the top of the roof. Pull this corner as well. Just hold it there. And I'll come this side. Obviously, we make sure we got it the right way around. Have we got it the right way around? Hang on a minute, Emily. And we've got it back to front. So spin it around to you. Just spin it, keep spinning. Alrighty, I've messed up. Oh no, we have got it right. Yeah, that's right. Perfect. It was the right way first time. Oh well. Is that it? No, that's it. So yeah, it was pretty easy. So now it's just a matter of squaring up the back. Bring down the zip. It's got these Velcro tabs inside which go around your ROPS. To secure it and stop it flapping around, which is pretty cool. Again, feel pretty heavy duty and good quality. Nice that it's an Australian made or Australian designed product. Good old Aussie ingenuity. And the back here, all these straps are going to be used to take up any slack out of the DiggerLid once it's all on and secure. But the Velcro straps are all on. We can zip that up. I am going to have to probably remove this and place it somewhere else on the machine, which I was notified about originally. You can see from the inside you've got plenty of clear windows, more straps to secure it to your ROPS. Okay, so I've taken some time to connect all the Velcro straps, as you can see on my bars on your ROPS system, and it's tightened up nicely at the back with all the straps. I've rolled up the sides, haven't done the back yet because of where we are, but very, very pleased. It's very good quality. Everything feels really sturdy. I would say this is going to last many, many years, especially if you look after it. And I'm really looking forward to getting out and using it and having that bit of extra protection from the wind and the sun and the rain, and to be able to keep on working while I'm here volunteering. So on behalf of Green Connect Farm and everybody here, thank you to Joel and the team from DiggerLid. We really appreciate you looking after us. And yeah, who knows, I'll check back in another time and let you know how we go. Happy 2024.